In ILC 313, you have access to a smartboard. A smartboard is an interactive whiteboard where you can draw on it or write on it. You can also project your computer or your own personal laptop onto this, so then you can interact with it on the screen. It's basically like a big touch screen for your computer. In order to use a smartboard, the first thing you need to do is you need to go over the Crestron unit, and in the smartboard area, you press the on button. Then over in the section that says media, you need to switch it over to PC if you're going to project from the classroom computer. But if you're projecting from your own computer, then you'll press the button that says laptop input. Once you have those pressed, you need to make sure that you turn off all the lights in the classroom, because in order for students to see the smartboard, all the lights need to be off. So go over to the light panel and turn all the lights off. And then the smartboard will slowly load up. It may take a couple minutes for it to get going, but just be patient. Once the smartboard is up and running, you can then start to interact with it. And one way you can do that is to use it as a whiteboard. So all you need to do is pick up a pen that's at the bottom of the smartboard. I got a green pen here, and just press it on the board, and you'll see a whiteboard that will appear here. So just go ahead and start writing in it. Or if you don't like a pen, you can always put that to the side, and you can use your finger, and you can just write with your finger. That might be easier. If you make a mistake when you're writing, you can always pick up the eraser that's at the bottom of the smartboard and use that to start erasing whatever it is you've written. You can also use your hand, just your flat hand, and you can use that as an eraser, so that's pretty neat. So, as you can see, this is basically an electronic Flipboard where students can come up, or you can come up here, you can share your ideas. It's a great tool to get all sorts of ideas from the classroom, great way to collaborate. Another use for this smartboard is to basically treat it like it's your laptop. It's like, think of it as a giant interactive screen that's hooked into your laptop. So let's say that I want to play a video here up on the smartboard. All I need to do is go down and open up a window here. I'm going to open up Chrome. And if you want to, you can have a keyboard pop up on the smartboard. There's a button at the bottom. If you click on that, you'll have a big keyboard that'll pop up. So you can go ahead and type in a web address. To save time, I'm not going to do that. I already got YouTube showing up here. So we'll click off the keyboard. So here's my YouTube site. And then what I can do is I can click on a video to play it. So we'll just click on that one. And as you can see, it's playing. So if I want to, I can stop it. I can play it. What's even neat is that you can take a pen here, and I could draw on this. I could, highlight text on Boise State University or whatever. So that's a pretty neat little tool that you can interact and you can annotate whatever it is on the screen. So it's another nice use for using the smartboard. If you have any questions on how you can use a smartboard in your classroom, contact the Idea Shop, and any of the instructional designers would be happy to help you.